gonna teach you how to do an arm wave just like this. First thing you're gonna do, put your arms down at your side. We're gonna isolate our arms. You're gonna go hands, you're gonna go wrists, make sure your elbows still touching into your side. Then you're gonna go elbows out, then you're gonna bring your shoulders up to your ears. Then you're gonna go out with your elbows, in with the elbows and out with the wrists, hands out, hands down. Go, you're gonna try a little faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, one more time, 1, 2, 3, up and 5, 6. Now, if you wanted to, you could go even faster, double time, 7, 8, that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but you don't need to be able to do it this fast yet. Don't worry about that. That's the extrovert. And we'll do the same thing. So this is your line. You don't want to go down below this line, only up above it, right? Think like the ocean. This is the ocean. This is sea level. It's flat. The wave goes up. The wave doesn't go down into the ocean, right? So we're going hand, then we go wrist, and the fingers to armpit should be on that line. Then you go elbow, and this one's the hardest because you kind of have to rotate it a little so you can get that elbow up high, and then shoulder. Good. And then you're gonna go to your elbow, you're gonna go to your wrist, you're gonna go to your fingers, and then down. Stay with me. Here we go. 6, 7 from the side. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7. Make sure those arms aren't dropping down. 2, you're keeping them nice and high. Remember, sea level. 6, 7, 2 more times like that. 1, 2, 3, take it over, back 5, 6. Now we're gonna speed it up. You go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Hopefully your shoulders are starting to burn a little bit. Get this work. And 2, 3, 2 more, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Don't forget, from here, this is your foundation. So then we can make our waves really small. We can start to change the shapes of them. We can do things like this. We can start to play around with all this. We can trace them. We can do hand waves and all this kind of stuff. This is like your foundation that opens up all of these other possibilities. So practice this arm wave, get it down. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.